My name is Inegben and I am currently enrolled in the DMZ KAM Data Analytics Scholarship Program. My learning journey so far has been without a lot of hurdles, thankfully. Belonging to an amazing community, I would say, is one of my favorite parts of this journey. So the community that will push you somewhat strictly to accomplishing your goals, that has been really helpful. As for my course, it has been pretty clear-cut and easy to understand. If you missed something, you could go back and refresh your mind and all. I am learning about the world of data, how to manipulate data, how to analyze it, how to draw reasonable conclusions from it. I am learning how to use various tools in data analytics. The classes are very detailed and very explanatory, so it's actually really easy to follow up. Right now I'm still on Microsoft Excel, so I have very high hopes and very good hopes for this course, and I believe this is a very great launch pad to my data analytics career.